Looking to maximize terpene production and boost the potency of your garden's harvest? Let's dive into how Sticky Bandit can make that happen. Today, we're going to uncover just how a special carbohydrate blend like Sticky Bandit can transform your garden. We'll see why it's essential for ramping up terpene production, how a touch of potassium could be your secret ingredient for more potent and flavorful bloom. Let's dive into everything you need to know about using and mixing this game-changing nutrient. Uncertain about how to use or when to add our Sticky Bandit? We'll clear up the confusion with an easy step-by-step instructions, ensuring you get the best results no matter what you grow or where you grow it. What's going on, everybody? My name is Cortland. I'm the owner and founder of Cronk Nutrients, and in today's session, we're going to be diving deep into one of my favorite nutrients here at Cronk Nutrients, Sticky Bandit. We'll start by exploring what Sticky Bandit is and how it works to supercharge your garden. We'll then discuss why using this powerful additive, while not essential to your garden, can give your plants the extra boost they need to flourish. We'll cover the proper feeding measurements for different grow mediums, how often you should use it, and wrap up with the fantastic benefits it brings to your plants. So let's get started. What is Sticky Bandit? Sticky Bandit is a premium carbohydrate additive specially formulated to enhance terpene production in your plants. It's designed not to just feed the plants, but to fuel the process that leads to increased potency, richer flavors, and more intense aromas. How does Sticky Bandit work? Plants are like little factories using sunlight to make their own food, which are sugars called carbohydrates. They do this amazing work in their leaves through a cool process called photosynthesis. These sugars are super important because they help the plant grow by giving it energy to make special parts like flowers and fruits. Now, think of Sticky Bandit as a bonus snack that provides extra sugars directly to your plants. When your plants get these extra sugars, they don't have to work as hard to make their own. It's like giving them a little energy boost, so they can save their energy for more important jobs. With this saved energy, they can focus more on growing bigger, better flowers and producing more terpenes, which are the special ingredient that make your plants smell and taste really good. So by adding Sticky Bandit to your garden, you're not just helping your plants grow, you're helping them be more efficient. They get to use less energy on making sugars and more on making their flowers and fruits bigger, better, and more flavorful. This means your garden will be full of plants that are not only healthier, but they'll also be tastier and have more of a potent smell. So why use Sticky Bandit? Using Sticky Bandit in your garden is like giving your plants a VIP pass to all the best resources. It's not essential for growth, but it really amps up what your plants can do. With Sticky Bandit, your plants get extra sugars without having to make them all themselves, saving them energy. This energy now can be used to supercharge their flower and fruit production, increase the quality of their terpenes, and make your garden's output not just bigger, but significantly better. It's all about getting the most out of every leaf, stem, and root. Besides just feeding your plants, Sticky Bandit also helps feed the microbes living in the soil. These tiny helpers break down the nutrients and make them easier for your plants to absorb. Sticky Bandit is super flexible and works great with almost any plant you can think of. Whether you have a few pots of herbs in your kitchen, a big vegetable garden in the backyard, or beautiful flowers in your front yard, Sticky Bandit fits right in. You can use it in different kinds of grow mediums like soil, coco coir, or even hydroponic systems. It helps all sorts of plants reach their full potential, from those special tomato-like varieties to actual tomatoes to strawberries, roses, and basil. With Sticky Bandit, enhancing the growth and health of every plant in your garden is a breeze. Now that we know what Sticky Bandit is, why it's so helpful, and how it can be used with any plant in any garden, let's look at the right way to use it. Following these steps will make sure your plants get all the good stuff they need from Sticky Bandit. Outdoor plants or solo use indoors. For plants grown outdoors, or if you're using Sticky Bandit by itself indoors, mix it at 8 milliliters per gallon of water. This gives your plants a robust dose to really enhance the growth and terpene production. Water your plants with this mixture once to twice a week depending on the response. When growing indoors in soil, use around 4 milliliters per gallon of water, but only with every other feeding. So you want to rotate your feedings just like we recommend with all of our nutrients. This amount helps balance nutrient delivery without overwhelming your plants. For those using coco or hydro setups, stick with 4 milliliters per gallon at every feeding. If you feel your plants can handle more, you can increase the dose up to 8 milliliters per gallon. This flexibility allows you to adjust based on how your plants are developing and their specific needs. Remember to always check the pH of your water after mixing in Sticky Bandit, no matter if you're watering plants indoors or outdoors. This goes for any nutrient or any watering that you're giving your plants. We always recommend pHing or checking the pH of your water. Why is this important? Well, plants are a bit picky about their environment, especially when it comes to how acidic or basic their water is. Getting the pH right means your plants can take up the nutrients more effectively. Here's a simple guide on where you want your pH levels to be. For soil, aim for a pH between 6 and 7. This is a sweet spot where soil plants can absorb their nutrients best. In cocoa, you'll want to keep it a bit lower, around 5.5 to 6.5, to help your plants get what they need. And the same goes for hydroponics. It also likes it a little bit lower, about 5.5 to 6.5. This will help the water carry the nutrients to your plants more efficiently. Adjusting the pH after adding nutrients like Sticky Bandit ensures that your plants are getting the most out of your care. Think of it as a fine-tuning their diet so that they can grow healthy and strong. This tailored approach ensures that whether you're cultivating in soil, cocoa, or hydroponically, you can optimize the health and yield of your plants with Sticky Bandit. Monitoring and adjusting your application based on your plant's growth environment and their reactions to treatments will lead to the best results. That wraps up our guide on using Sticky Bandit to help your garden thrive. By following these tips on how often to use it, how much to mix, and keeping an eye on pH levels, you're setting your plants up for success. Sticky Bandit is more than just a nutrient. It's a way to boost the flavors, aromas, and overall potency of your garden's produce. Whether you're growing in soil, cocoa, or hydroponics, this guide will help you make the most out of this powerful additive. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. We'll also leave a link in the description below to any of the tools that we use in this video. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications about our latest videos. And as always, happy growing and see you in the next video.